Hello everyone, welcome to Everything Tech Related. Today we will be looking at how to install VMware Virtual Desktop Client to enable you to install virtual operating systems on your Windows or Linux machines. Today we will be looking at installing it on a Windows 10 machine. So let's get started. You need to search for download VMware Workstation free and click on the second link because the first one is Pro. So avoid this Pro one. When you open the link, you see this here. You need to click on download. Although it says try workstation, it is free of cost because here you can see the VMware workstation is free for students and training and learning purposes. So just click on download now and let the download begin. Once your download is complete, go to the file on the desktop. I've downloaded it on the desktop. Now you should be the administrator of the Windows machine you are using because we will need to right click and select run as administrator. Click on the warning, say yes to it. The installation wizard will start. Just click next on the first one, accept the terms and conditions, and then here keep it unchecked because you will not require this feature as such. Let this box be ticked on because this adds the paths to your Windows machine and they're quite hard to find and put in, so let it be ticked. Now this one is for checking your updates and join the customer experience. If you want, you can uncheck it. We need a desktop and a start menu folder as well. Click next and click on install. Once the installation is done, you will see this icon. Just double click on it. You need to select the first option, use it for free for non-commercial use. Click continue and click finish. Now your license is activated. Here you will have the option to create a virtual machine or open a virtual machine and all the stuff you can do. So that's it for today. This is how you install VMware Workstation 16 on your Windows machine. For configuration and creating your new virtual machine, please check out the next video.